In this video, I'll guide you through how to permanently close your GoDaddy account. If you've decided you no longer need your account and want to shut it down for good, I'll walk you through each step so you can do it confidently and avoid any confusion along the way. Before we begin, it's important to understand what permanently close actually means. When you close your GoDaddy account, you're choosing to shut down access to that account and the services tied to it. That may include domains, hosting, email, or other products you've purchased. Once the account is closed, you typically won't be able to log back in and recover those services. So make sure you've saved anything you need, backed up important data, and cancelled or moved any active services you want to keep before you continue. When you're ready, start by signing in to your GoDaddy account using your usual login details. After you're logged in, look for the main account area at the top right corner of the screen. From there, you want to go into your account settings. This is where GoDaddy keeps most of the controls related to your personal information, security, and preferences. Inside Account Settings, find and select the section called Contact Preferences. This area usually covers how GoDaddy communicates with you, but it also includes options related to your privacy and account status. Give the page a moment to load, and then scroll down until you see a section labeled Privacy. Within the Privacy section, look for an option that references your account. This is where GoDaddy gives you control over closing your account. Click on the Account option to expand it if needed. You should see a checkbox or setting that allows you to indicate that you want to close your account. Carefully check the box confirming that you want to close your account. GoDaddy may show a brief note or reminder about what closing your account means. Take a second to read any message that appears, just so you're fully aware that this is a permanent action and that you may lose access to associated products or services. Once you've checked the box and you're sure you want to move forward, go ahead and click the button labeled Close Account. After you click it, GoDaddy may ask you to confirm one more time. If a confirmation prompt appears, simply follow what it says on screen to finalize the closure. When you're done, your GoDaddy account will be scheduled for permanent closure. You may receive a confirmation email, so it's a good idea to check your inbox for any final notices or details. That's all there is to it. You've now learned how to permanently close your GoDaddy account, starting from account settings, going through contact preferences and privacy, and finishing by confirming the close account option.